So, what are the downsides of Nikon Coolpix L820? Oh my god, a lot of downsides. Firstly, the Nikon Coolpix L820 is a digital camera. As I've said before, the Nikon Coolpix L820 is just a bridge camera that succeeds in giving that user a specified zoom range. In this situation, this is 30x zoom, optical image stabilization, 30x zoom. So it also does full HD. So what I said before, the downside, it doesn't have electronic viewfinder or a normal optical viewfinder. It has a flash, the spot for hot shoe. Those are three like this right now. It also doesn't have a shutter release button. It doesn't really have a aperture button. It doesn't have the aperture roll, aperture diode, mode diode. The battery door doesn't have the battery pack. You know what I mean? I mean battery pack under here. As you can get it. Battery pack for most DSLR. As you can see, this is not even a DSLR itself, but the screen on this Nikon Coolpix L820 is a 921p dot screen, a very professional dot screen for professional cameras uses right now. Very high quality dotted screen. You shoot your image in it in 60 megapixels, and it comes on this screen, it shows extreme details. Put it on the hand side of the Nikon Coolpix L820. Make sure you want to know more about this camera or more about cameras and other cameras, like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on my journey, more new cameras. I'm on the future camera drive. I'm releasing new cameras in future videos to come. Stay tuned for that, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe.